Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Today in this video we will see how to use Microsoft Kaizala for your attendance. First of all, install Microsoft Kaizala from App Store. Open the application. When you first time open the application, it will ask you for your mobile number, and then uh, application will send a code to your mobile number. Use that code and activate your account. After activating your mobile account, you can link your work account. Click on profile, then go on linked account, then add your work account here. After adding your work account, you can join a group. Click on chat and click on join group. You can also join this group by email invitation, uh, or any other source. You can use QR code that will be sent to you in email, or simple or text code. Enter the code here and you will be joined this group. After you join this group, you will see group like this. Every morning the HR person will send you attendance request. Fill that attendance request. I will show you how you can fill that attendance request. HR person will send you attendance request. He or she will mention the time, what is the time, what is the maximum time you can punch in, and he or she will ask for your picture also. I disable the picture option right this time, and I send this request. This request I am sending is for the whole day. I can also change the time. Let's suppose 8:30 is the uh, last time you can punch in. I set the time and I send this request to you. All the persons in group will receive this notification. Click on mark attendance button. It will ask for your location. Share your location. Enter any text, any for any comment you can enter the note here. Optional. This is optional. Click on next and click on submit. Your attendance will be submitted to HR person. HR person can, when you submit all the attendance, then they can get the report. They click on this and they can check who has submit the attendance and what time they submit the attendance. So every morning you will receive this attendance request, and you have to mark your attendance. The person who did not mark the attendance will be displayed here. These persons did not mark the attendance. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.